at most thirsty, you can have maximum 2 glasses of water or a jug of water. You can never drink the whole profession, whole sea of your profession, isn't it? Then why are you sitting till 11 p.m. in your office? स्ट्रेस बढ़ेगा, चिंता बढ़ेगी, अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस की तरह लीनिंग बढ़ेगा, काम की बोझ की वजह से. People have understood this. So the France government has passed a bill from the parliament. It has become a constitutional law in France, and the law is the right to reject work after 6 p.m. If you are a French citizen and working in France, you have the right to reject work at 6 p.m. आपके बॉस का मेल आप पे आया, and if the mail is at 6.01 minute, you have the right to reject it. ये भी नहीं आंसर देना है कि कल 9 बजे आपको मेल करूंगा. Nothing, you don't touch it. It is a constitutional right. और इससे भी बड़ी बात आपको कहूं, next week they will pass a bill in the parliament in New Zealand, 4-day week. It is the first experiment upon this earth. But for last 1.5 years, they have surveyed all professions in the country of New Zealand. They have come to this decision after consultations with high-end professionals, middle-end professionals, and low-end professionals in all professions. And they have come to this conclusion: 4-day week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. वे जानते हैं बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ मेंटेन करनी पड़ेगी. I was talking at IIM Udaipur just about 2 weeks back to the fresh students there who have joined the management program. I was supposed to talk on IQ, EQ, SQ, and thereafter we had the questionnaire. And somebody asked me a simple question, one of the faculties there. He said that, Swamiji, do we have one-line solution to all the problems upon this earth? I said, yes. One-line solution to all problems upon this earth. I said, yes. And I said, if all the people upon this earth decided to stop work at 6 p.m. wherever they are and go back to your family, 95% of the problems of your life will be solved. From family time to health, to hobby, to distressing, to relief, everything. एक ही बात सबको करनी है. तो बैलेंस शीट ऑफ लाइफ मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी